Attending the jazz summit was an absolutely fantastic experience. Just having the ability to learn from the likes of Carl Allen is a fantastic experience. To have people who have lived what jazz is their entire life, they're the records we listen to. Their playing is like the curriculum of what we study and what we should be. So having the experience to listen to them one-on-one is fantastic, and to be able to have the kids be able to work with them firsthand is second to none. And, I recommend that every school come to this festival. I don't know if there's anyone better. As far as recommending that kids come to Snow College, this is a place where you can grow and you can develop. You can find yourself as a musician, and you can learn the things that will allow you to be successful, not just in music education or as a performer, but you'll find things that will allow you to be successful in so many different facets of commercial music, production, performance, composition, things that will really make a difference and not just survive as a musician, but thrive.